It's Easter and it won't be complete until we make a Biscotti di Pasqua. I always start off by using my mom's huge basin because for some reason they just taste better when the dough is mixed in here. After I break up all the Crisco throughout the flour, my mom's here helping me pour in the wet ingredients while I mix up this dough. Get your dough incorporated well and then you're going to let it rest. My grandmother used to let the dough rest overnight and prepare the cookies first thing in the morning, but I've done it 1 to 2 hours and it came out just as good, so either way is fine. I'm not an OG like Nonna was. I mean, their cookies were a work of art. They would make belle bubid, they would make beautiful doves. I'm pretty basic. I just roll out logs and then I do a twist, wrap it around into a circle, and then I put the colored egg in the center. And then finish off the top with 2 thin, smaller pieces rolled out and then just cross them on top. If you're not planning to do an icing on top, you could just finish off your cookies with the basic egg wash, brush the tops of it before you bake it in the oven, and when they come out, it gives it like another golden look to it, and it's just as nice too. Other than forming your cookie dough with the egg in the center, just do a basic twist and bake them as is. Those are really good too. Here I'm rolling them into balls, which is kind of like munchkin size. And then you could also do the twist and then wrap it into a circle and you're actually forming tarelle. When these are iced and then a few sprinkles on top, they're so pretty. When all your cookies are nicely golden and have fully cooled, now you could do the icing on top. It's just milk and powdered sugar, and I do use a bottle of the Wilton white icing. This makes it a nice white color. Otherwise, I feel like it just stays clear. I like it with the white better. Just top it off with a few sprinkles, and look how pretty they look. So now for the round ones. These, my grandmother used to call them a colore. She would make the icing, put different colors in it, frost the top of it, let it dry, flip it, then do the bottoms. Look how pretty they look. And this is our holiday Easter cookies that we would make every year.